Hi everyone, this is Jayashree here. Welcome back to my channel Lily's Handcraft. Today I am going to show you a hairband making from old clothes. Hope it will be nice to see you. So let's start my video. First take two parts of cloths, one large and the other is small. Now folding the large part, I stitch the open side. Using safety pin, turn over it. Same process do on the small part. Take an elastic and enter it into the small cloths using safety pin. Now stitch the both sides with elastic. Finally, stitch one side of the small piece with the one side of the large piece cloth. Do the same process on the other side. Thus ready a beautiful hairband.